In this video, I will show you how to transfer USDT from ByBit to Trust Wallet. So first of all, open your ByBit app, and if you haven't started yet on ByBit, then go ahead and check the link in the description to get started for free and to earn a nice welcome bonus with free cryptos. So anyway, let's dive into the video by clicking on Assets from the bottom right. Click on Your Assets, so I'm going to click on Funding, then scroll down to USDT, and from here you're going to click on Withdrawal at the bottom. So right now we need to fill in an address that we are going to obtain from Trust Wallet, and that is in here. It's going to be a wallet address, and we need to select a network and the amount that we want to transfer, and then we need to click on Withdraw. So let's go over to our Trust Wallet to obtain this wallet address. So in our Trust Wallet, we're going to click on Receive, as this is the receiving wallet, and then we're going to click on USDT, and in the black box after that we see Ethereum, but this can also be another network. So go ahead and check this very carefully. I have Ethereum, so I'm going to click Ethereum. USDT. So we're going to copy this wallet address, and this is what we're going to paste into ByBit. So paste that address in here, allow paste. Now select the network, and we just selected network, so you can see the fees in here. You can also see that Ethereum is pretty high, so it will be better to select a different kind of network or a different chain type. So that is up to you, but please match it with your Trust Wallet. So I'm just going with my Ethereum to show you what I mean. And indeed the fees will be high, but of course you can change it in here, but then also make sure that you change it on your Trust Wallet. So that is done right now. So now we can enter the amount that we want to send. So let's say something like 2. And then when you want to finalize this transfer, you need to click on Withdraw at the middle right. And after you do that, you will finalize this transfer. So it's pretty easy. When you click on Withdraw, you need to confirm and then confirm again. And then you need to wait for your USDT to arrive in your Trust Wallet. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and consider subscribing. And then I see you in the next one.